Hello guys and welcome back to Tactics Tutorial. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to use Stripe. As you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in Stripe, and Stripe is mainly a payment platform that you will be able to use to get payments sent to you from your customers or even to donations. And we're going to be showing and demonstrating how to use several of the good features or the best features of Stripe that I would recommend that you guys use and take advantage of. Now, when first creating your account, just like what you're seeing here, there will be some steps on what you need to do. And one of the most crucial thing is, of course, activating your payments so that you could actually use Stripe. You're just basically going to verify a lot of information, such as your business, your bank, and you're basically just going to secure your account and other extra things, which would then allow you to fully utilize your Stripe. Now for me, you might notice that there is orange color on the top of our screen earlier, an orange section, which basically just means that I am currently using a tester mode, which will basically just allow me to use all of Stripe's feature despite not having a verified account. Now, this is just for testing, so it's still the same features that you guys have, but none of the budget or none of the money that is traveling in this account is real, okay? So, let's first show you one of the best features available in Stripe, and that is the payment link. Payment links are basically a feature of Stripe that allows you to get money or ask your customers or ask people for donations, and they will be able to send directly to your Stripe without too much stress or without any other process. And to do this, you're simply going to navigate over here on the left section. We could actually see here that we have a lot of features under payments, billing, reporting, and other things. So there's a wide range of things that we are actually able to do. And the feature that I am talking about is our payments over here. So simply select our payments, and there's other things over here like disputes, radar, payment links, and terminal. The thing that I am focusing on is the payment links. So simply select payment links, and this is what you're going to see. Now, I have already tried and played around with it, but I'm going to show you guys how it works. So let's go and click on new over here on the top right to get started. So let's first show you the types. There are two types for a payment link: a product or subscription, which is best for e-commerce or software as a service, and customer, choose what to pay, which is best for tipping, donations, or pay what you want. Let's show you first the products or subscription. Basically over here, you're simply going to select the product that you're trying to sell. For example, a service. You did a service to your customer and you want them to pay you for that service. So you can specify it over here, and the prices would be easily specified as well if you add a product. And aside from that, you could also select the quantity for that. So you could control that, whether they are paid for two or they ask you to do two things. Oh, we got a setback. But let's say you might want them to adjust them themselves. Maybe you could have this payment link to occur before or after your service, so that if it's before the service or before the product, you could allow them to choose or adjust accordingly. But if it's after, I would recommend that you turn this off so that you have control on how much they are going to pay. There's also other options over here that you could get, like you could get extra information such as your customer's address, phone number, and the number of payments. There's also advanced fields over here, or advanced options. You could add advanced fields if you have a specific question. Maybe let's say here, let's add this. You could put a specific text here. Let's say, when is your next schedule, or when do you want it to be, or rather, what type or what variant. You could you could ask any question to your customer in regards to your product or service that you're trying to sell. So it doesn't really matter what it is, as long as it's going to help you with your ability to provide the service or product to them. And then you can also modify to a certain extent the after payment to be here. And so if you click on create link, you will be redirected, and we will be provided a URL link and a code over here, which you can then put on your personal websites or any websites that you have. Now, those are the things that you will be able to do with the payment link. And now people could use the payment link that is provided, or the payment link that you have created, to pay you different things. And if you guys might notice earlier, you could actually see some analytics over here to help you monitor the money that's going in. Now, going back to our homepage, you can also have the ability to send invoices to your customers. So you can also create an invoice over here, very quick, very easy. You're just going to put the necessary information, of course, like the customer, the currency, items, stuff like that. You could also have it as an email if you want, or even a payment page if you want. Aside from that, there's other tools that you are able to use in Stripe. You can check out your balances over here. How much money do you have? The process, stuff like that. You can also monitor your transactions, check out what's happening, how or where the money is going. Then you have your customers over here. You can keep track of your customers, their balance, stuff like that. That's something you are able to keep track of. We also have the product catalog, which works good, or which works best together with our payment link that is for e-commerce. What we showed you earlier, that's something you could do as well. And of course, you viewed the other things as well. You seen the other parts that we are showing you. There's other features over here that are has more details or has more specifications. As you can see, there's even test meters over here. But most of these are fairly simple for you guys to check out. And I think the main features that people use Stripe for are the two things that I mainly spoke about, which is the payment link, which is actually very convenient, more than what you think. It's more convenient and it's very portable, so it's really great as well. Anyway, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.